Within the indices subtopic, these are the most common mistakes that students may tend to do. So what are those? Let's take a look now. Okay, let me highlight some of the common mistakes that students may tend to do. Okay, for the first one, student may find that a to the power of m plus with a to the power of n, what they immediately do is they will just assume that it will be equals to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, if you do that, it is actually wrong. Okay, the correct statement for the above one will be a to the power of m times with a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so this is the correct one, guys. Okay, so as for the second one, a to the power of m minus with a to the power of n, student may assume that, okay, you have a minus here, so they can straight away minus the index, okay, since the base is the same. So a to the power of m minus n. Okay, if you do this, is also not correct. Okay, so let me show you the correct equation for this. Okay, so from here, a to the power of m divide with a to the power of n, then only you can minus the two index together, provided that your base is the same. Okay, in this case our base is a, so from here a to the power of m minus n. Okay, in this case, okay, now it consider correct. Subscribe and follow for more upcoming video content. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in another video.